Hey, everybody. It was nice meeting some of you or reconnecting with you. I wanted to follow up on the multitask piece. I built a quick custom object in a demo org in Salesforce and want to show you what this could kind of look like. So let's jump in. I'm on my mobile device. Obviously, if I click on accounts, Marcus Dairy is an account I was just on, and you can see a new button here called New Multitask. And if I click on that, I can then add data basically here. So I can say my contact is Lauren Bailey, and I can say my visit date is today. We can obviously default some of this stuff in if you want to. And then I built out functionality to say manufacturer one is Grainger. And I wanted to comment on this using speech to text to say we dropped off a Grainger catalog and have a meeting scheduled next week. And then at the same time, I can jump into manufacturer two. We're going to go to North Star, kind of repeat that process using speech to text so it's easy to put in. Grab Zenith, I guess, and then key in data on this point to tell us what we've got to talk about here. When I save that, it writes that data right back into call notes created, back into Marcus Dairy. But here's the cool thing. It creates those three activities right here in the system. So if I click on, and now if I go back into Salesforce, the desktop version, we can see kind of the fruits of that labor, right? So I'm clicking to Marcus Dairy, the account we were just in. I've got my three activities that we just added using a flow by driving this data into the system. So you can see here the calls to Grainger and the calls to North Star and the calls to Zenith distributors. All that information is basically here. So I know what I said to Marcus Dairy. I know who I said it on behalf of. And if I click into Grainger, and click into channel sales, I can see all the partner opportunities we talked about yesterday, but I've also got my activities listed here in the system. So in a real easy way, and all this is reportable and dashboardable, if that's a verb, I've got all this information basically loaded in here. I really hope this helps. Yeah, talk soon. Thanks.